The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Grayson County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, Fannin County in north central Texas, until 2 p.m. At 11:03 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 IMCHS of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing and will continue. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Olney, Coppell, Duncanville, Sherman, Lancaster, and Farmers Branch. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.